If you're a fan of Nigerian movies and have been looking for where to get interesting movie updates, then worry no more because you found yourself at the right place. Hello my correct people and welcome back again to my YouTube channel. On this space I give out just movie updates and movie recommendations, and in today's video we have a very interesting and captivating Nollywood drama that everybody would want to watch. This movie is titled How to Make Your Marriage Work. Wow, this movie is captivating, guys, and it's actually for young couple or married people. A very interesting movie even for people that are not married, but of course you eventually want to get married anytime. So this movie teaches a lot of things and a huge insight on how to make your marriage work. A very interesting movie that featured the likes of Emodi, Ebube, Nwagbo, Princess Adize, Precious Adize, and Selassie Ibrahim, alongside other interesting actors that make up this amazing Nollywood drama. You cannot afford to miss out on this particular Nigerian movie. How to Make Your Marriage Work is showing you right now on Selassie Ibrahim TV on YouTube. This movie is a must watch. How to Make Your Marriage Work is interesting, intriguing, and captivating. So head on now to Selassie Ibrahim TV on YouTube to see the full movie. Movie title once again is How to Make Your Marriage Work, showing you right now on Selassie Ibrahim TV on YouTube. So go there now to see the full movie. Until then, see you guys in our next video.